What is Fragile X? Fragile X syndrome is caused by a change in the genetic material on the FMR1 gene on the sex chromosome. This mutation is found in each cell of the body. This change in genetic material makes it harder for cells to make the protein that's necessary for normal brain development and function. Fragile X syndrome is a sex-linked mutation. Symptoms. Fragile X syndrome affects a child's intelligence, emotional well-being, physical features, and behaviors. Common symptoms include speech and language difficulties, like being nonverbal and relying on body language, facial expressions, and gestures to communicate. Anxiety, depression, sleeping problems, and obsessive behaviors can also occur. Some physical symptoms associated with this condition are large ears, a long, narrow face, and flat feet. Treatments. Fragile X is not a curable disease, but its symptoms can be managed. For the treatment of behavioral issues, lithium and gabapentin can be prescribed. For excessive behaviors and aggression, fluoxetine and sertraline can be given. Carriers. As carriers, women could also be at a higher risk of experiencing symptoms of Fragile X. These symptoms include menopause starting before 40, dementia, high blood pressure, migraines, and other effects. Fragile X is more common in males than females. Females are 50% less likely to get Fragile X than males. Fragile X attaches to the one of the X chromosome in females and the only X chromosome in males, giving males a higher likelihood of getting Fragile X. Fragile X syndrome is detected by a blood test, which will determine if the FMR1 gene is present. It is usually detected in kids and is an X-linked trait and is mostly inherited by males. Some other names for the syndrome are Frey X syndrome, Frey XA syndrome, FXS marker X syndrome, Martin-Bell syndrome, and microchildism. Thank you for listening to our presentation on Fragile X. I hope you will learn more about Fragile X.